Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add Gmail in Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, and click on menu option. Then tap on settings. Okay, and click on see mode in account center. Scroll down, tap on personal details. After that, tap on contact info and just click on add new contact and click on add email and to add Gmail in Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.